Ever pondered on your potential to generate income online? Well, you're not alone. The digital era has presented us with countless opportunities to earn money sitting right at our homes in any corner of the world. Today, we delve into 5 ways one can make money online, and yes, these methods work just as well in South Africa as they do elsewhere. First up, we have freelancing. Consider your skills. Are you a wordsmith, maybe a graphic designer, or perhaps you're good with numbers? Whatever your talent, there's a high chance someone out there needs it. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr serve as platforms where you can sell your skills. You set up a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding on projects. It's a competitive world, but with perseverance and quality work, you can establish a substantial income. Second on our list is online surveys. Companies worldwide are eager to understand consumer behavior, and they're willing to pay for it. By signing up to websites like Taluna or Mobrog, you can get paid for just sharing your opinion. It's a simple yet effective way to make some extra cash. Our third method is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, a website, or a strong social media presence, this one's for you. Promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral. Amazon, for example, runs one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. The fourth way is online tutoring. With the current global situation, online learning has become the norm. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Websites like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com provide a platform to connect with students worldwide. Finally, we have selling products online. Got a knack for crafting unique items? Or perhaps you're a wizard at sourcing bargain products? Websites like Etsy or eBay allow you to set up your online store and reach customers globally. To recap, the 5 ways to make money online are freelancing, taking online surveys, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, and selling products online. Each of these methods requires different skills and levels of commitment, but they all offer the potential to generate income from the comfort of your home. The world is becoming more connected every day, and these opportunities are just a few of the ways you can take advantage of that. So, why wait? Start exploring these options today and step into the world of online earning.